Did you know that your car has secret features designed to take the hassle out of driving? Most mechanics won't bother to point them out, but once you see these, you'll wonder how you drove without them. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover 13 hidden functions that are built to save you time, keep you safer, and even make long drives more enjoyable. From one feature that lets you control windows from your key fob to another that could prevent dangerous road conditions, you don't want to miss this. Number 1, auto hold function. Picture this: you're stuck in rush hour traffic, inching forward every few seconds, constantly switching from the brake to the gas. It's exhausting, right? What if I told you there's a way to stop that constant strain? Enter the auto hold function, an underrated lifesaver that many drivers don't even know exists. This feature does exactly what it sounds like. It holds your car in place automatically after you come to a stop. No more keeping your foot pinned on the brake at every red light or traffic jam. With just a single press of a button, your car takes over the task of staying still until you're ready to go again. Number 2, hidden fuel tank arrow. Ever pulled up to the gas pump, only to realize the fuel cap is on the other side? It's a scenario most of us have faced, especially in rental cars or when borrowing someone else's ride. But here's the thing, your car already has the answer, and it's been sitting right on your dashboard. Next to the fuel gauge, there's often a small triangle or arrow. This tiny, easy-to-miss indicator shows which side of the car the fuel cap is on. If the arrow points left, the cap is on the left. If it points right, well, you get the idea. It's an intuitive design, yet drivers frequently overlook it until they've had that aha moment at the pump. This feature completely eliminates the guesswork, saving you time and preventing awkward repositioning at the station. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 3, sun visor extender / side slide. Few things are more distracting than trying to drive with sunlight glaring directly into your eyes. While sun visors are there to help, they often leave gaps where the light seeps through, especially on the edges of the windshield. This can force you to squint, reposition, or simply deal with the discomfort. Luckily, your car might already have a better solution built right in. Many modern vehicles are equipped with sun visor extenders, or a sliding mechanism that adjusts the visor's reach. All it takes is a simple pull along the outer edge, or in some cases, sliding the entire visor outward. These hidden functions let you adapt the visor's coverage to block sunlight from awkward angles that standard visors can't handle. Number 4, key fob window roll down. Imagine stepping outside on a blazing summer afternoon, and your car feels more like an oven than a vehicle. You open the door, and the wave of heat hits you, stifling, unbearable, and slow to dissipate. Sure, you can crack the windows or blast the AC, but even then, it takes time for the temperature to drop. Now here's where your key fob comes in with a little-known trick. Many modern cars have a hidden feature that lets you roll down all your windows remotely by simply holding a button on your fob. Often, it's the unlock button, but the exact method varies depending on the car's make and model. This lets hot, trapped air escape before you even touch the door handle. Number 5, hidden trunk emergency release. Did you know your car has a built-in emergency escape feature that could save a life? It's the hidden trunk emergency release, a small but powerful safety tool placed specifically for situations you might never want to imagine. But it's important to know it's there. Most people don't notice it until they go looking for it, but this feature is designed to help if someone gets trapped inside the trunk. Typically, it's a luminous handle or lever located on the interior of the trunk lid. The glow-in-the-dark design ensures it's visible, even in low light or nighttime conditions. This feature is particularly crucial for children who might accidentally trap themselves, or in emergencies like a car accident. It's an example of thoughtful engineering that prioritizes safety over everything else. Number 6, adjustable seatbelt anchor. Ever had your seatbelt rub uncomfortably against your neck during a drive? It's not only irritating, it can actually distract you from focusing on the road. What many drivers don't realize is that their car likely has a simple fix for this built right in: the adjustable seatbelt anchor. This feature allows you to move the upper seatbelt mounting point up or down along the car's interior pillar. It takes just seconds to adjust. Locate the small lever or button near the seatbelt's shoulder connection point. Press or slide it, and set the height to a position that feels right for your body. For shorter drivers, keeping it lower prevents the belt from cutting into the neck, while taller drivers benefit from raising it to avoid undue pressure. Number 7, secret sunglass holder. Where do you usually stash your sunglasses while driving? On the dashboard? Tucked into a cup holder? These might seem convenient at first, but they can lead to problems. Sunglasses left out are prone to scratches, can easily slide around, or worse, get lost in the chaos of your car's interior. This is exactly why many cars come equipped with a hidden sunglass holder, often found near the overhead console. It's a simple yet smartly designed compartment specifically meant to store your sunglasses securely. To access it, look above the rearview mirror or near your ceiling controls. Press or pull the lid, and you'll find a padded insert that protects your lenses from scratches and keeps them in place. Number 8. Steering wheel reach and tilt adjust. Driving shouldn't feel uncomfortable, but for many, it does. Whether you're stretching to reach the wheel or feel cramped against it, an improper position can turn even short trips into a physical strain. Surprisingly, there's a built-in solution that's often overlooked: the steering wheel's reach and tilt adjustment. With this feature, you can move the wheel closer, farther away, or tilt it up or down until it fits your natural posture. Look beneath the steering column. You'll usually find a lever or handle there. Unlock it, adjust the wheel's position to where your arms feel relaxed but still maintain a slight bend at the elbows, and lock it back in place. It's a simple adjustment, but one with significant benefits. Number 9. Hidden storage under seats. Is your car cluttered with random items rolling under seats or piling up in awkward spaces? It's a daily frustration for many drivers, but what if the solution was already built into your car? Hidden storage compartments under the seats are a clever way to keep your daily essentials organized without taking up visible space. These compartments, like the covered bins in vehicles such as the Chrysler Pacifica, provide a discreet spot to stow items you want nearby but out of sight. You can store emergency kits, first aid supplies, toys, or even snacks in these compartments, making them especially useful for families or anyone with an active lifestyle. They're convenient, easy to access, and excellent for keeping smaller items from overcrowding your car's main cabin. Number 10. Shift lock release slot. Imagine this. Your car is stuck in park, and it simply won't budge. A dead battery, a blown fuse, or an electrical glitch could bring everything to a halt, leaving you stranded. It sounds like a nightmare, but there's a solution hiding in plain sight: the shift lock release slot. This hidden feature acts as a manual override, letting you move the gear selector out of park when the electronic system fails. You'll usually find the shift lock release slot near the gear shifter, often concealed under a small plastic cover. To use it, insert your car key, screwdriver, or a similar tool into the slot. Once engaged, you can manually shift the car into neutral. Number 11. Heated side mirrors. Waking up on a frosty morning and seeing your side mirrors covered in ice is an instant frustration. Scraping them clean takes time, especially when you're already running late. But did you know your car might have a feature that handles this for you? Heated side mirrors are designed specifically to tackle this cold weather headache. Inside the mirror glass is a built-in heating element that activates with the push of a button. Once turned on, often through a dedicated switch or as part of the rear defroster system, the glass begins to warm, quickly melting away frost, ice, or condensation. Within minutes, your mirrors are clear, providing a safe and unobstructed view of your surroundings. Number 12. Rear seat pass-through hatch. Have you ever struggled to fit something like skis or wood planks in your car, only to leave the trunk open or give up entirely? It's a frustrating problem, but there's a built-in solution that's likely gone unnoticed: the rear seat pass-through hatch. This clever feature connects your car's trunk directly to the cabin, providing extra storage flexibility for long items. Instead of folding down the entire back seat or wrestling with awkward angles, the pass-through hatch lets oversized objects extend into the cabin without sacrificing all your passenger seating. It's perfect for transporting long, narrow items. Think fishing rods, carpet rolls, or even PVC pipes, while still leaving enough space for passengers. No loose cargo, no open trunk flapping in the wind. Number 13. Tap-to-signal lane change function. Signaling a lane change shouldn't feel like an extra chore, especially when driving on a busy highway. Yet many drivers still hold down the turn signal lever for quick changes, which can feel unnecessary and even distracting. That's where the tap-to-signal feature comes in, a modern shortcut designed for ease and convenience. This function allows you to lightly tap the signal lever, triggering a preset number of blinks, usually 3. There's no need to hold the lever down or worry about turning it off manually. You can find this feature on most newer vehicles, and activating it is as simple as a quick flick in the desired direction. It provides just the right amount of signal to communicate your intentions. Your car is full of possibilities, and many of its features are just waiting to make your drives easier, safer, and more comfortable. These hidden gems aren't just design perks. They're tools that can redefine how you interact with your vehicle every single day. As technology continues to evolve, even more features like these will quietly integrate into cars, making it important to stay curious. Take the time to explore your own car. Check the manual, experiment with buttons, or look online for model-specific tips. A little curiosity could uncover practical solutions you never imagined, turning simple drives into smarter experiences.